So if you're like me, you save your photos automatically to your Google Drive. I think that's the best way to save things. If you're photographing on your phone, I just have the Google Drive app on my phone, and then I automatically upload my photos to my Google Drive in a special folder for that assignment. So you have to get your photos actually saved to your computer in order for them to open in Photopea. So once you select which photo you want to work with, you can open and go through and decide which photo you want to open and work with. So if I want this photo and it's open, I'm just going to hit this download arrow in the top right corner, and then it's automatically going to download to my computer. Easy peasy. Other way you can do it is if you just right click on the image, you can also select download, and then again it will automatically start downloading. And even on your Chromebooks, there's going to be a folder that is called downloads where it is automatically going to save to. So this will just help you for when you are starting to work in Photopea and you open your images. Those need to be saved directly to your computer. There's no way to access them from Google Drive. So make sure that your photos are saved to your actual Chromebook, and then you'll be able to upload them to Photopea and start working and editing.